Alright, in this project we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to use PostgreSQL, which is another type of relational database. Up to this point we've been using just MySQL. So we're going to use that, and then we're going to build a bookmark manager. Actually, let me log out here real quick. So this is the landing page. We're actually keeping the standard Laravel landing page. We're going to implement authentication, which gives us the login and register link. All right, and then you'll see if we go to register, we added a username, okay, and that's actually what we're going to use to authenticate. So once we go ahead and register, we can then log in. I already have an account, and you can see I'm using just the username Brad, and then I'll put in the password, and then that takes us to our dashboard. All right, so we can add bookmarks, which are just basically websites or links. And we're also implementing a form in a modal, a bootstrap modal. All right, so for instance, if we wanted to add, let's say, Facebook for the name, and then we could say http facebook.com. Whoops. And then description, we'll just say social network, submit. And you can see we get a message, and it shows up right here. If we click on it, it's going to open the URL in another tab. All right, and then we can also delete. Now, when we do the delete, we're doing something different. Instead of using a form with a hidden attribute, we're going to make an AJAX request, and we're going to do that with something called Axios. So this is an HTTP client for the browser and for Node.js. And we can make requests by saying, for instance, Axios get, pass in the URL, we get a response, and so on. So we're going to make that delete request with Axios. And I did that because I wanted to change things up a little bit and give you guys some new technology to work with, rather than just doing the same thing in every project. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video.